Alright, here now. I think I hear him. There it is. There it is. Yeah, I thought the sirens weren't going to go off. Yeah, I guess it's going off. Then at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time, National ES test. So I'm recording this now. You can hear him. Yep. We're on time. So I had some French toast for breakfast this morning. That thumbs up in the air. Alright, one's got turned off. But I hear the other one. I think last time it said something about the EAS system, like the outdoor emergency alert system. See if I can catch it. Alright. Huh. Thought I heard like a pre-recorded message. I can still hear one of them though. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so I think it's like the emergency alert system. This is only a test, I think. Yeah, I think I made it out. It says something about the emergency alert system, and this is only a test. Yeah. Wait until 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time. Our phones will be going off for about 30 minutes, and then for the TV thing, I think I'll be recording the TV test on my camcorder, the TV and the wireless emergency alert system thing on my phone with my camcorder, and uploading it to YouTube. All right, see you guys.